Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to week 5 playlist. If you are not finished with week 4 playlist and you haven't done your performance assessment for week 4 playlist, please do not be in this week 5 playlist. That's not where you're supposed to be. You need to go find something else to do. If you are supposed to be here, awesome. I'm about to explain what it is that you're supposed to do during this week and tell you why we're doing it. So let's get started. On here, I have pass a lesson. That should actually say pass a lesson or get 30 minutes of time on task, whichever comes first, guys. 30 minutes or a lesson, whichever one that you get to first, stop there. Okay, make sure that you fill out your data tracker after you pass a lesson. The video for that is here. This is another library week for us, so you'll need to make sure that you're renewing or checking out books. There are going to be new videos posted about library expectations and using Destiny because Destiny is available to you. So please make sure when you go to the library resources page, you're watching those videos. Say that one more time. Watch the videos, okay? When they're provided, we really want you to watch them. 20 minutes of reading, plus you have a reading choice board this week. And this is going to be my Bitmoji library, okay? So it'll look a little something like this. Different items will take you to different places for different activities, and you'll just go to them. And you'll have a bunch of different activities to choose from. You'll just do one, okay? How many? One. Okay, don't do more than one because we'll be doing this for multiple weeks moving forward. And that's the reading choice board. So 20 minutes of reading plus any of those activities that are listed. Here, you're going to add Unit 2 journal pages to your ELA journal because we are now in our second unit, Argumentative Writing and Race. We started that last week with the R and the A. This is a video for how you guys add those journal pages in. So please watch that and then follow along because I explain what you're supposed to do there. And then from there, there's actual work within your race unit again. So last week you did the R and A, now you're moving forward and you're doing the C. So you have a cite diagnostic, a pear deck that explains how you cite text evidence, and then some practice citing text evidence. Your performance assessment this week will be a News ELA article race paragraph. So you'll need to go to News ELA to find the article in the writing prompt. I will only be grading how well you are A and C. Okay, so don't worry about the E because that will come in week 6. I will be grading how well you are A and C. The last activity is a citation hunt. It's an enrichment activity, so you're only doing enrichment if you are working on week 5 in the week of September 28th through October 2nd. Okay, so only do that if that's when you're working on it. If you're not working on it between October 28th and October 2nd, then you are done when you are done with the performance assessment. So the reason why we are doing this, guys, citing text evidence is a really important part of argumentative writing. When you bring in evidence from other articles from people who have authority, it backs up your argument really well. It provides proof for your answers, and it makes you a credible author. So this is going to be huge in argumentative writing, and it's very important that you take this seriously and you ask questions if you're confused. So, good luck citing text evidence, and please let me know if you have any questions for your week 5 playlist.